In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to create new transaction rules. This guide is designed to help streamline your bookkeeping process by automating certain aspects of your transaction management. Let's take a step-by-step look at how to set up these rules effectively. First, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Bank Transactions. Clicking on this will open up a broader view of your financial activities, making it easier to manage and oversee your accounts. After you've accessed your bank transactions, the next step is to go over to Rules. The Rules feature in QuickBooks is invaluable for creating automated behaviors for specific types of transactions. This helps save time and reduces the manual work required to keep your accounts in order. It allows you greater control over how transactions are categorized and managed in your accounting system. With the Rules section open, you'll notice an option to click on New Rule. This is where you'll begin setting up the parameters for your new transaction rule. Take a moment to think about what rule you want to implement and how it can benefit your bookkeeping process. For instance, you might want to automatically categorize certain recurring expenses, like utilities or subscriptions. Once you've clicked on New Rule, the first prompt you'll see asks, "What do you want to call this rule?" This is where you define your rule clearly. Choose a descriptive name that makes it easy to identify later. Think about the financial activity it pertains to and how best to describe it succinctly. Moving forward, the next step involves specifying the transactions this rule should apply to. You'll click on Apply this to transactions that are. This makes it easier to filter and ensure only the relevant transactions are included under this particular rule. Further along, you'll see an option titled, "And include the following." This step allows you to add any necessary conditions or criteria that your transactions need to meet. It's useful for fine-tuning your rule to fit unique scenarios specific to your business operations. A key point to note is that these rules only apply to unreviewed transactions. This means they are intended to assist in processing new entries and not to change any previously reviewed data. As you continue, you'll select the transaction type by clicking on it. Here, you decide which types of transactions your rule will affect, such as expenses, deposits, or others. You'll also need to determine the appropriate category for these transactions. This helps ensure your financial records are organized correctly, making it easier to later analyze and report on your business's financial performance. Don't forget about the Payee option. By clicking here, you can designate who the transaction is with, which is crucial for tracking expenses to specific vendors or clients. If at any point you decide that the rule isn't necessary anymore or isn't doing what you need, there's a handy Cancel button available. This allows you to back out without saving any changes, giving you the flexibility to start fresh if needed. By following these steps thoroughly, you'll have a new transaction rule set up in QuickBooks that helps automate your financial tracking, saving you time and effort.